Breaking the myths, 99942 Apophis, a celestial visitor on its way. Far beyond our blue skies, an asteroid named 99942 Apophis is on a close approach trajectory. Its potential proximity has garnered attention. But, what is 99,942 Apophis? It's an asteroid, a remnant from the early solar system, out on an interstellar journey, much like our own. Predicted to swing by Earth in 2029, it will not crash, contrary to the fears of many. Instead, it will offer a celestial spectacle. Scientists are excited. This event presents a rare opportunity to study an asteroid up close, and potentially uncover secrets about our universe's origins. But even as Apophis approaches, it will remain a tiny speck in the sky, visible only to telescopes, blending into the cosmic canvas. Don't fear 99942 Apophis, instead, marvel at its journey. Even from millions of miles away, it reminds us of our place in the cosmos.